Consider the complex equation. Z to the 4 is negative 16i. Well, we know where negative 16i is. It's down here. And so in polar form, that Z to the 4 is equal to 16 cis negative pi by 2. And let's put plus 2n pi in here, where n is an integer, because it will be there every time around. So that means that z is going to be 2, that's the 4th root of 16, cis negative pi by 8 plus 2n pi over 4, which is n pi by 2. So if we take n equals 0, that would give us z1, and that would be just 2 cis negative pi by 8. Taking n equal to negative 1 would give us z2, which is going to be 2 cis, so that will be negative pi by 8 take away pi by 2, which is negative pi by 8 take away 4 pi by 8, and therefore that's negative 5 pi by 8. If we take n equals 1, we'll get what I'll call z3, which will be 2 cis, so that will be negative pi by 8 add 4 pi by 8, which will be 3 pi by 8, and then if we take n equals 2, we'll get z4. Now if we think about what's happened from here to here, we just added 4 pi by 8, so same thing, 2 cis 7 pi by 8. Okay. Let W be the solution to Z to the 4 is negative 16i that has the least positive argument. Determine the value for arg of W plus 2. Well, the least positive argument would be this one here, 2 cis 3 pi by 8. So W is going to be 2 cis 3 pi by 8. We want to find the value for arg of W plus 2. Well, if we draw this one, 3 pi by 8 would be in this sort of direction, and this is 2. So if we have the complex number W plus 2, that just adds to going horizontally. And so if I do this, what I have here is a rhombus. We know this angle here is 3 pi by 8. This point here is W plus 2, and because this is a rhombus, this will be half of 3 pi by 8, so that will be 3 pi by 16. So arg of W plus 2 is equal to 3 pi by 16.